Hey IELTS community, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to provide you the review of the 5th August IELTS exam. So overall, the exam was easy to moderate and most of the students found listening module the easiest module, and moving on to the reading module, it was normal and most of the students found it moderate. Moving on to the task 2. The task 2 was from the prediction that I uploaded a week ago, so you can check that out for next exams. So the actual statement was, in some countries, celebrities complain about the way media publicizes their private lives. Some people say that they should accept it as a part of their fame. Do you agree or disagree? This is the sample answer for this question, so you can check this out by pausing the video. The task 1 was bar graph. The statement was, the bar graph shows the total manufacturing production in percentage Asia, Europe, and the rest of the world. So the picture is here visible. You can practice this. Moving on to the listening and reading module, the answers are shared by students, so some of them can be wrong. Let's start with the listening answers. The most of the student told that the name of the listening was Children's Bookstore, and if you know the correct, then comment down below. Let's see the answers. Bikes, $50, rose, boats, ink, evolution, fiber, lid, wax, drawing, hard, bone string, earthquake, feather. Let's take a look at the answers for reading module. These were the passage names: olive oil production, music and emotions, and the third passage was related to meetings. Let's see the answers. Pesticides, fertilizer, dopamine, culture, blood, bleeding, true, true, not given, true, not given, false, concert, population, floor, third. Passage 3 MCQs were B, C, A, C. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you need any help regarding IELTS, you can visit my Telegram channel.